Hello, this is our next question of process costing. Uh, Processes are same A, B, and C. Basic material input into process A is 20,000 units and cost per unit is rupees 4. Expenses are given same like process 1, 2, and 3 in last question. Direct material, then direct wages, direct expenses, and overheads for process A, then process B, and then process C. And finally, the output of process C shall be transferred to finished stock. So let us solve it like question number 1 and 2. Process A account, B account, and then process C account. So let us coming to our solution. In process A, material input is 20,000 units and cost is rupees 4. So now total amount is 80,000. Expenses related to process A are material, then wages, direct expenses, and overheads. Normal loss given for process A was 5%. So 20,000 is input units into, sorry, it's 2%. 2%, it comes to 400 units. So this 400 is shown 400 is shown here as normal loss, and scrap value is 50 paise per unit. So this amount comes to 200. Okay, so this way normal loss is calculated same like question 1 and 2 on basic material of 20,000 at 2%. Okay, next coming to closing of process A account. Let us take total of quantity column first. Quantity column total comes to 20,000, and out of 20,000, once we deduct the normal loss quantity, we will get 19,600 as output, which is to be transferred to process B account, A to B. For amount column, total cost of process comes to 2,20,000, and after deducting normal loss value from 2,20,000, we get 2,19,800. And in order to calculate the cost per unit or rate, we use same method, 2,19,800 total amount divided by total quantity of output, value comes to 11.21 per unit. So this way, process A account has output value of 11.21, and this we will transfer to process B on debit side. So starting point for process B will be 19,600 units. Total amount is 219,800 and CPU is 11.21. Okay, now let us coming to process B account. Again, the goods which are transferred from process A that we have seen from A to B. Additional cost incurred for process B is direct material, then direct wages, direct expenses, and overheads. And here normal loss is 5%. The normal loss we always calculate on total input. Here normal loss is 5%. So calculation is 19,600 into 5%. It comes to 980 units. And scrap value given in the question is rupee 1 per unit. So amount comes to 2,940. And once we take total of amount column, it comes to 4,07,800. And from 4,07,800, after deducting scrap value 2,940, we will get 4,04,860. So this way, our process B to C transfer value comes to 4,04,860. And for quantity column, after deducting normal loss from this total quantity, we will get 18,620 as quantity transferred from process B to process C. So 4 lakh 4,860 divided by 18,620, just confirm, amount comes to 21.74. It is cost per unit for the output which is transferred from process B to process C. So this output is transferred from process B to process C in this way. And in process C again, same method is followed. All other expenses means direct material, this 18,620 transferred 21.74 CPU total amount is given here. Direct material cost is 48,000. Then direct wages are 72,000. Direct expenses 40,000 and overheads are 16,000. All these expenses are shown on debit side as usual. And here normal loss, again it is 5% with scrap value of rupees 5 per unit. So we calculate 5% on total input. So now here it is 18,620 into 5%. It comes to 931 perfectly. As it is shown here, it is 931 and scrap value given is rupees 5 per unit. So total amount comes to 4,655. And balancing figure for finished goods or transfer from process C is 5,76,205 and quantity balancing figure is 7,689 units. So in other words, output of process C which is transferred to go down as finished goods is 17,689 units and total amount is 5,76,205. CPU is calculated using same method, 5,76,205 divided by 17,689 equal to 32.57. So this way, process A, B, C, all these three accounts are done, and output of process C is transferred to finished goods at 32.57. You can get this question from description, either in PDF form or you will get a link for this question. So you can write down the question and solve for your practice. Thank you.